প্রাণ পাখি উড়ে যাবে পিঞ্জিরো ছেড়ে।
That morning I went out for a walk with a very dear elder brother of mine. He is a wonderful person, wise, humble, and full of experience. While walking and talking, we did not even realize that we had covered 5 kilometers. On our way back, I feel that this moment should be captured as a memory. So I start recording this video. On both sides of the road, the natural was truly beautiful. We saw dead trees with bunches of dates hanging for them. Dates are a nutritious food, rich in calcium, iron, and antioxidant. They grow in many parts of our country. My brother said, record this view. Following his suggestion, I started filming. Soon we saw a row of banana trees. Banana is one of the most popular and easily available fruits in Bangladesh. I can be eaten both raw and ripe. That day my brother showed me different types of bananas such as Sagor, Chapa, Sorpi and green raw bananas. At that time we were in Kaligans, Upazila and Jinada district. Despite knowing so much, one of my brother amazing quality is that he sings beautifully. While walking, he sang a few songs and one of them really touched my heart. We can insert that song here.
প্রাণ পাখি উড়ে যাবে পিঞ্জিরো ছেড়ে। ধরা ধামে সবই রবে, তুমি যাবে চলে। বন্ধু বান্ধব যত, মাতা পিতা দ্বারা সুত। বন্ধু বান্ধব যত, মাতা পিতা দ্বারা সুত। সকলই হইবে তোমার পরে। মন আমার কেন বন্ধ দালান ঘর। দেহ তোমার চর্মচর গলে পচে যাবে। শিরা উপশিরা গুলো ছিন্ন ভিন্ন হবে। মুন্ডু মেরুদণ্ড, মুন্ডু মেরুদণ্ড সবই হবে খণ্ড খণ্ড। পড়ে রবে মাটির উপর। রে মন আমার কেন বন্ধ দালান ঘর। একদিন মাটির ভিতরে হবে ঘর। রে মন আমার কেন বন্ধ দালান ঘর।
The cool morning breeze, birds chirping, and the peaceful surroundings all together made it a heart-warming experience. Moments of such calmness in nature are the true suspense and real beauty of life. Take care, everyone. See you again. A new video. Thank you so much and pray for me.